Okay then, Craig's time will start. Puts his hand up to start his 2 minutes. He's made his way down. He starts off with a big aerial barrel roll. Good way to start today's performances. If you hop forward onto the hood of the ski now, into the ski round through 180 hood spin into a Superman. Let me do that. Kamikaze dive over the front of the ski. Straight back out to the back of the ski, just like a kamikaze dive should be. A very good strong start there from Craig. Whips that ski round through a barrel roll. Spins round now into a tail stand. Just holding the ski round, spinning the ski to 180 degrees. Rides without nearly. Big aerial nose stab. Good control of the ski as he leans forward over the front of the ski to a 180 bulldog. Transitions onto the, riding backwards onto the skis. Aussie barefoot one-handed into a fountain. He neatly hops back into the tray. Craig is certainly laying a gauntlet down to the other riders this morning. Superman! One-handed Superman! Nice transitions from the ski from a tail stand into riding on the front of it, on the hood of the ski. 180 hood spin, he hops back into the tray. 15 seconds. As he goes for a fruit loop.
This is the first session from Craig.
That's time then for